India is one of the fastest-growing economies in the world and has witnessed tremendous growth in its infrastructure sector. The government of India has identified infrastructure as one of the key drivers for economic development and has taken several steps to boost investments in the sector. In this video, we will show about upcoming government infrastructure projects in India in 2023. Bharatmala Priyojana. With a projected budget of $130 billion, the Barrett Mala project proposes to build or upgrade nearly 34,800 kilometers of national highways and border roads to provide road connectivity throughout the nation. As part of the project, national highways, bridges, flyovers, bypasses, ring roads, elevated corridors, tunnels, and overpasses will be built to improve India's overall connectivity, particularly in the northeastern regions. Narmada Valley Development Project. The massive $30 billion Narmada Valley Development Project is designed to manage water resources in the Narmada Valley River by building a network of canals and more than 3,000 dams in the river basin to produce energy and improve the water system for drinking and cultivation. The NVD project includes the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is intended to be a 1,450 MW hydroelectric project dam. Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. By establishing logistics hubs and industrial zones, including ports, airports, highways, and power plants in addition to schools and hospitals, the initiative seeks to encourage economic growth and industrialization along the Delhi-Mumbai Freight Corridor. The 1,483-kilometer-long 599 project, with a $90 billion budget, runs from Delhi to Mumbai via Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. The project also intends to provide employment possibilities and greatly increase the nation's GDP. Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link. With a massive budget of $2.2 billion, the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link aims to link the eastern end of the Mumbai-Pune Expressway with the western end of the coastal road, which is still under development. The Sea Link motorway bridge road is 21.8 kilometers long, has 6 lanes, and can accommodate 70,000-80,000 vehicles per year. Chenab River Railway Bridge. To connect Kashmir Valley with the rest of India, the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla Rail Link project includes the 1.3 kilometers long Chenab River Railway Bridge. The bridge is a joint venture between 3 engineering firms, namely Afcons Infrastructure, VSL India, and Ultra Construction and Engineering Company from South Korea, with a $92 million budget.
Inland Development Waterways Project. With an investment of $600 million and technical support from the World Bank, the development of inland waterways as a component of strategic infrastructure seeks to build 111 national waterways in India. By March 2023, the project is anticipated to be finished. The waterways will make it simpler for ships and commodities to move. The expansion of inland waterways, in the opinion of the Indian government, may contribute to the country having zero carbon emissions by 2070.
Navi Mumbai International Airport. Navi Mumbai International Airport is the second international airport after Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. The project ventured into the public-private partnership model at $600 million. A special purpose vehicle was formed for this airport. It is expected to be in operation by the second quarter of 2024. Zojiland-Immor Tunnel Project. The Zojiland-Immor tunnels are located on the Leh-Srinagar Highway. These are 2 important tunnels which are built in 2-lane, bidirectional, single-tube tunnels, and they will provide all-weather access to the road and reduce the time between Ladakh and Kashmir to 15 minutes, which at present is 3 hours. The construction will get over by 2025 and will help in reducing the time between the Union territories. It is implemented on an EPC contract basis by the operator National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Do you think any of these projects are aimed at modernizing India's infrastructure and improving the quality of life for its citizens? Share your opinion in the comments. And here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.